Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of my new phone, that is Lenovo S5 Pro. So in this phone you can get 6.2-inch Full HD IPS LCD screen with a processor of Snapdragon 636, 6GB RAM, 64GB storage, and also support the memory card till 256GB. And the cost of this phone is only $190. So this is a really fabulous phone by Lenovo. This have 4 cameras, dual rear camera, dual front camera, and one thing which I really like is infrared 3D face recognition scanner, which is really good in this price. Type C charging port, and they provide the quick charger, so what we need in just $190. So really good phone. Let's see the unboxing, and the rest reviews will be coming soon. So here we go. Hope you like this video.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So here is the box of Lenovo S5 Pro, and this one is 6GB, 64GB storage. So if you want to see the unboxing in Hindi, you can find the link on the right side corner. So here is our phone. We will keep it aside and check other things. So here we can get a SIM ejector tool and some manuals. You can say this is the charger. So this one is 5V 3A fast charger, you can say, and the charging cable is type C. So here is our phone, 6.2-inch Full HD IPS LCD screen, and the phone look good. The blue color, they have 3 colors. I like this one. So you can see here volume keys, power on button, speaker, mic, type C charging port, noise cancellation, and 3.5 audio jack. That is the best thing. The SIM tray, noise cancellation, and 1 antenna array. So let's see the SIM tray. So this is a hybrid SIM tray, 1 nano SIM or 1 memory card or 2 nano SIM. Let's begin the phone. They have 2 front camera. That is a really good thing. Lenovo. So they have only 2 language, English and Chinese. So this is my first Lenovo phone, so I'm not habitual of it. So let's try the fingerprint lock. So our phone started. Let's check the fingerprint lock. It's really quick. Now let's try the face unlock. So face unlock is little slow. I don't know. Okay, so move on. We go to Antutu benchmark. So score is 116,021. So average score, Snapdragon 636. Adreno 509, resolution 1080 by 2246, RAM 6G, wow, size 7.8 inch. I don't know why it's showing this. Rear camera 12 megapixel and 20 megapixel, battery 3300, NFC not supported. So let's try Antutu Geekbench now. So the result is CPU score is single core 1337 and multi-core is 4937, and computer score is 4393. I don't know, here also they are showing Snapdragon 660. Why? I don't understand. It's Snapdragon 636. You can see in setting CPU Snapdragon 636, octa-core 1.8 GHz. Okay, so let's try some music and see the speaker quality. So the speaker is really good, loud and clear. So now let's see the camera. So this phone have a dual rear camera of 12 megapixel with 20 megapixel with f1.8 aperture and 1.25 micron. And if we record the video, we can record in Ultra HD 4K. About the front camera, they have a dual front camera, 20 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and you can record in Full HD 1080p. But there is no flashlight in front camera. They have a flashlight in the rear camera. So I will upload the camera review as soon as possible. I didn't find slow motion and time-lapse video also in this phone. Today I clicked some pictures and I really like it. So I will upload the camera review as soon as possible. So hope you like this video. If you want to ask me something about this phone, you can comment me. And the giveaway of Nokia X7 is on. So if you didn't saw that video, I will upload the video link and you can participate in that.